Welcome to ACT Math. So today we're gonna keep doing the practice test 4 from College Panda. So we hope we're gonna solve some problems in practice test 4. So without further ado, let's go. So let's do section 3 first. And in section 3 we have 20 questions. In this video, let's solve the first 5 or 6 questions first. Okay, question 1. If 3x minus 6 is equal to 3x 6 minus 3x, one of these following must be true. Okay, so number 1, so 3x minus 6 is equal to minus 6 plus 3x. So if you do multiplication, that you just change the right side a little bit and keep the left side intact, you're gonna have 3x minus 6 is just equal to 3x minus 6. So this is true for OX. So therefore the answer is D. Number 2, Kevin has collected M coin. Ellie has collected half as many as Kevin and 5 more than Robert. Okay, so number 2, so Kevin. Okay, so Kevin is M. Okay, so Ellie has collected half as many as Kevin. So Ellie is 1/2 of M. But 5 more than Robert. So Robert, because Robert is 5 less than Ellie, because Ellie is 5 more than Robert, so Robert is 1/2 of M minus 5. So the question asks about the number of coins that Robert collected, so that's actually D, right? 1/2 of M minus 5. Alright. Number 3. Okay, let's come to number 3. A teacher gives her classes a test. The rating test. After grading the test, she finds that the model above can be used to predict the student's score I on the test in terms of the number of hours the student study. Okay, based on the model, how much should an additional hour of study increase the student's score on the test? Okay, so this one, okay, you can see that if t is increased by 1, then obviously y is increased by 10. Okay, so y is equal to 40 plus 10t, right? Now so not y star is equal to 40 plus 10t plus 1 t plus 1. So that's actually 40 plus 10t plus 10. So that's just y plus 10. So the answer should be B, right? B. Alright. Okay, let's move on to number 4. Let's move on to number 4. Okay, a little bit up here. So here they said which of these following could be the function of G. Okay, what of these following could be the function of G? Okay, so for number 4, which of the following could be the function of G? So we can see from the graph that in the graph we know that G is 0. g0 is equal to 0. Okay, g of minus 2 is equal to 0, and g of 2 is also equal to 0. So to satisfy all of these facts, the only curve that satisfy all these facts is actually C, right? G equal to gx equal to x squared times x plus 2 times x minus 2. That's the only graph that satisfy these conditions, right? Okay, so let's do number 5. So they asked us to solve this system of equation. So minus 2x minus y is equal to minus 9, and 5x minus 2y to be equal to 18. Okay, so to solve this, so if I multiply this equation by 2, then we can cancel out the minus 2y, so it's gonna be easier to calculate. So let's go with this one. So we're gonna get 1 multiplied by 2 on both sides. We're gonna turn minus 4x minus 2y equal to minus 18, right? Minus 18, right? And let's call that y prime 1 prime. Okay, so nothing's wrong, and this goes 2. So if we take the 2 minus 1 prime, we're gonna get okay, so 5x minus 4x gonna be 9x minus 2i minus 2i minus 2i minus 2i, which is 0, 0i plus 0i, just gonna be okay. So 18 minus 18, that's just 36. So you can solve for x is equal to 4, and therefore you can solve for y is equal to minus 2x plus 9, that's equal to 1. So that's xi is equal to 4, 1. So the answer is D. Alright. Okay, so let's check number 6. Let's check the number 6. Okay, so 5, what are the product of all the value of a satisfied? So number 6, so what are the product of all the value of a satisfied? 3a squared minus 12a minus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is a result of the Vieta theorem, right? Vieta theorem say that if a quadratic equation has two roots, x1 and x2, then x1 plus x2 gonna be equal to minus b over a, and x1 times x2 gonna be c over a. Okay, so this is of course for the equation of ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. So in this case they ask us the product of all product. So in this case a1 times a2 is gonna be equal to minus so it's C is minus 9 over A is 3, so it's minus 3. So the answer for 6 should be B. Okay, let's check the answer out. So 1 is D, 2 is D, 3 is B. Very good. 4 is C, 5 is D, and 6 is B. Okay, so that's very good. We are all correct. So thank you very much. See you in the next video.